kids, how are you? Once again, welcome to back your YouTube channel Kids Club.
Oh yeah!
I hope you like this channel and I hope you like drawing painting as well. So friends, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Today we are going to color a monkey. You know, the monkey is a wild animal. It lives on the jungle or tree. Sometimes it is also seen near the temple. It is a four-footed animal. It has two small eyes, 2 ears and a long tail. Monkey likes eating fruits and peanuts, but it likes to eat banana more.
Oh no!
You know, monkey is a very naughty animal. It can snatch our things and run away.
Oh my god!
Monkey is a very active animal.
Bruh.
You know friends, some people train it and earn money by showing its trick.
Wow!
So kids, tell me, do you like monkey? Please support my channel and like my video. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me guys. We will meet very soon with another video. Till then, bye bye, take care.